Is Fortnite constantly crashing on your PC? No biggie. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix those annoying crashes and get back to playing Fortnite as much as you want. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the fixes. Solution 1. Add command line argument to Fortnite. To do this, open up Epic Games Launcher. Then switch to the Library tab. Next, click on the three-dot icon under the Fortnite banner and select Manage. Now toggle on the launch options. Next, type -landplay, -nonsplash, -use all available cores, -dx11 in the box here, then close this window. Oh, don't worry, you can copy this from the video description. Now launch Fortnite and see if the crashing issue is gone. Solution 2. Delete Fortnite configuration files from your computer. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in cmd. Then click on Command Prompt. Now type in tree and hit enter. After that, close the window. Next, click on the search icon again and type in run. Next, type in %local app data % here and hit enter. Now the File Explorer will open up. Next, go to the Fortnite game folder. Then open up the saved folder. From here, delete the config folder. Lastly, reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Install the latest version of the Visual C++ runtime program. To do this, open up this link in a browser of your choice. Don't worry about the link, you can find it in the video description. Now when you're on this page, scroll down a little and come to this section. Next, just click here and get the latest version of Visual C++ runtime. Make sure to download the one that matches your computer's processor architecture. After it is downloaded, open it up. Now take this box and click on Install. Next, click on Yes to give permission for installation. And it'll kick off downloading and installing the newest version of the program. Once it's done, click on Restart to reboot your PC. After your PC turns on, you shouldn't be getting any random crashes while playing Fortnite. So that's how you troubleshoot the crashing problem in Fortnite. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. And if you're struggling with this issue, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. As always, thanks a million for tuning in.